Ever faced a problem so overwhelming that you didn't know where to start? What if the solution lies in something as simple as writing it down? Welcome to Minutes Mastery series by 3T, where we shall discuss the power of Kidlin's Law, which states, if you can write the problem down clearly, then the problem is half solved. It sounds simple, but this principle is quite profound. By putting thoughts into words, you create structure out of chaos, turning a jumble of concerns into something actionable. While the precise origin of Kidlin's Law is unclear, the name could be apocryphal, a catchy moniker adopted to give this wisdom a sense of authority and identity. It's a reminder of age-old practice of attaining clarity through articulation, something writers, philosophers and innovators have used since centuries. Even when I have too many ideas whirring around in my head, I grab a rough writing pad and note everything that comes to my mind, and it starts making a sense once it's jotted down. What are the uses of Kidlin's Law? 1. It is used for therapeutic clarity. Many therapists recommend journaling as a means of self-discovery. When you write down your thoughts, you externalize your emotions and see them from a new perspective. Cognitive behavioral therapy, that is CBT, for instance, often uses this approach to identify triggers and patterns. Number 2. Even for corporate problem solving, Kidlin's Law is used when we do brainstorming with our team or use nominal group techniques. Teams write down issues or ideas individually, then discuss them collectively. This minimizes bias, ensures clarity, and encourages structured discussions, leading to better decision making. Let me explain with an example. A struggling entrepreneur once felt overwhelmed by declining sales. Her mentor suggested she write down every challenge she faced. What she discovered was surprising. Half her problem stemmed from marketing confusion. By isolating this, she could focus on one issue, solve it effectively, and revive her business. So how can you use Kidlin's Law? Use a notebook, diary, or a digital tool like Notion to jot down daily challenges. During team meetings, start with everyone writing down their thoughts individually before sharing. For personal clarity, try journaling once a day or before bed. You'll wake up with a clearer mind. To conclude, Kidlin's Law isn't just about solving problems. It's about seeing them clearly enough to tackle them head on. Whether in therapy, business, or daily life, this simple act of writing can transform chaos into clarity. So next time you are stuck, grab a pen and give it a try. Keep watching Minutes Mastery for such interesting insights.